Deploying the ChromeOS Readiness Tool just got a whole lot easier. If you've ever struggled with deployment using UEM tools that don't support PowerShell, we hear you. Our latest release introduces the Unified Deployment Package, a simplified, batch-based installation method under other deployment options. It's a single setup file that combines the PowerShell script and the MSI file. Better yet, it's designed for UEMs that support batch files, solving compatibility issues without workarounds. That means fewer manual steps, reduced chances of failure, and less time spent on setup. This batch script also automatically checks and installs the required .NET Desktop Runtime, ensuring a seamless setup experience. It's all about helping IT teams do more with less hassle. Check it out today under other deployment options in the latest release of the ChromeOS Readiness Tool. Download now. Deploy smarter.